Customer states, my tire is shaking. Fix-a-flat. Look like mold. Gunked all on there. That had to be on there for however old this truck is. And then got no registration on the window. Lincoln Navigator. Fix-a-flat. 1, 2, 3. We got one more to dismount. Look at that. That's nasty. Look like mold. Might be asbestos. Shake.
Video that shit.
Look at that. Got 2 tires.
Yeah, look at that.
8 through the band sensor.
Fucking.
Who need a respirator to grind this down? That's nasty. I ain't never seen nothing like that. All the way around. I don't know if the Fix-a-Flat had a reaction to the anodized that's on the aluminum wheel. I ain't never seen that.